Alright guys, Georgia Jim, got a Gold S here. This is a 5-pin lock from Japan, and I got it courtesy of Red Wonder, who was nice enough to send me one. So, much appreciated, Red. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing picked. Start on pin 5. And then we're going to go to pin 2, and I have put enough time into this lock to know I just overset. I fought with this lock so much. It is a very difficult lock. Punches far above its weight. What I would have thought it would. Whatever. It's hard. Alright, let's see if we can get. There's 1. That's 3. There we go. All right, let's get this thing gutted. That's a pretty satisfying little pick. It's I know I just made that look like it wasn't much of anything, but I assure you, for being a 5-pin lock, that one's tough. All right, we'll just dump it all out in one. All right, let's see. I thought there was a lot more going on with this lock. It's not really that. I don't know how to explain it. It's hard. I thought there was a lot more going on pin-wise, I'll put it that way, because I was getting all these little sets and nothing was really going on. Every now and then the false set would get a little deeper, and then it would lock up pretty tight. All right. Looking for my other tweezers. There they are, right there on the tray. All right. All right, let's get this clip off. So tiny. All right, first thing you'll notice is, if I can get the light to catch right there, you can see we have overmilling on every chamber, which explains the extra little clicks I was getting. And we'll zoom in pins. All right, we got a combination of mushrooms and gins. The gins need to be, everything needs to be set twice. You have to set it into the overmilling and then get it out of the overmilling. But the gins will really lock up for whatever, I guess, because there's no, like a lot of the locks that use these, like the Gold Z and the Gold P, they have ball bearing detents to give the core some bias. These don't have that, so basically, as you tension, you're just binding the pins up harder and harder into the core. So you need to let off tension, which is counterintuitive when you're trying to pick overmilling. So that's how that works. Neat little lock. Thanks again, Red Wanderer. All right, guys, thanks for watching.